Good day! We're the group Mental Extra. We're here to present our web system titled a Web-Based Sales and Ordering Management System with Customer Feedback Mechanism using QR code and SMS notification for ACCPL Marine Trading. Our leader is Parlero Pierre Patrick. The assistant leader is Lumungsod Claude Daniel, System Design Kanyo Talking Vincent, Technical Writer Batu, and Korea Saiji. So, introduction. ACCPL Marine Trading was founded in 2014 in Marikina, Philippines, supplying marine equipment to schools, universities, and government agencies, with additional of chandling services for vessels at Philippine ports established by a former maritime professional, and company meets industry demands with quality products and reliable after-support, bridging a critical market gap. The general problem of the business is they rely on manual process for managing customer inquiries, and order leads to inefficiencies. Inaccurate data encoding and potential error in supplied products from human error will result a chain reaction of operational issues.
Specific problem. It could be inefficiently tracking and managing orders. Number two is limited digital presence, reducing the ability to reach and attract new clients. Number three is challenges providing time to customer support and effective conversation. Lastly is restricted online visibility and engagement with customers. General objective. The general objective for the business would be to develop a web-based inquiry and order management system for ACCPL Marine Trading that improves operational efficiency and enhances customer satisfaction. Specific objectives. Number one is to create an online platform that facilitates real-time order management and tracking. Number two is to implement a customer feedback system to gather insights for service improvement. Number three is to enhance communication between the company and its clients through streamlined digital channels. Number four is to enhance communication between the company and clients through integrated digital channels such as SMS notification. Lastly is to integrate QR code for easier order tracking and feedback submission.
Scopes and limitation of the study. The scopes are development of a web-based inquiry and ordering management system tailored to meet the needs of ACES CPL Marine Trading. Next is implementation of the system to streamline inquiry, handling, and ordering processing. Next is integration of customer feedbacks mechanism using QR code to enhance service quality. Next is integration of SMS notification to the system. Next is focus on improving the inquiry and ordering process for safety equipment, ensuring a user-friendly experience for clients. Next is limitations. The first is possible resistance to change from staff. Next is requirement for training on the new system. Next is dependence on stable internet connectivity for system efficiency. Next is exclude supply chain management aspects. And the last is this study will primarily focus on safety equipment in the development of the web-based system, excluding heavy equipment due to the specialized nature and different regulator requirements associated with those products.
We're about to present the system for our client.
This is for the client side. We don't have an account yet, so we're gonna create.
You know,
We're gonna name it Saiji. Sign up. Then the system will send an OTP verification. I will show it to you guys. client side, I'm gonna order one item. Then proceed to check out address. Place order, pay with GCash. For example, this QR code. Confirm. Then the client he will see the order, his or her order. So he can review the order. That's it for the client side.
Okay. And now we're right now in the admin page, and we're going to log in the admin views. So this page is the add product, and in this form, the admin add the new products to the system, and by filling out the details like product, the reference ID, the name, category, and price, and the quantity, and also the image and brand, and it helps keep the product catalog updated. And now we are in the dashboard page. The dashboard shows the key statistics, and such as total users, total products, and the total pending orders. Also the total order confirmed, and total order in transit, and total ordering completed. It also includes a sale graphs to track order trends over the time. And so now we are in the manage product page. This page display all existing products with options to search, filter, and edit product details. And it helps admins maintain and organize the product information easily. And now we are in the order management page, and in this one, admins can view and manage customer orders by filtering based on status, like pending, confirmed, and in transit, and delivered. Each order shows complete details with options to update its status, and it also shows the QR code we're in the user page. Oh, sige. And we are now in the last page, which is the feedback, and these sections displays customer feedback, including the comments and ratings on the experience and navigation and checkout process. It allows admins to monitor and improve user satisfaction.
This is our proposed system for the business of ACES CPL Marine Trading. Thank you very much and have a good day.